Which Air Cam Walker boot is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, United Ortho Short Air Cam Walker. First up is the United Ortho Short Air Cam Walker boot. Priced at $59.95, this boot caught my attention with its popularity. It's a bestseller with over 27,600 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating. If you want a supportive boot that doesn't weigh you down, this is worth a serious look. So what makes this boot stand out? For starters, it's lightweight, weighing only 2.5 pounds, which is crucial when you're trying to stay mobile during recovery. The universal design means it fits either foot, and the adjustable straps accommodate any swelling from injuries. Plus, it comes with a user guide to help you get the best fit possible. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The rocker bottom sole and shock-absorbing insole promote a more natural walking motion, so you won't feel like you're dragging a heavy load around. Now, some people complained about the fit being tricky, particularly if you're between sizes. Here's the thing though, just make sure to measure your foot and consult the size chart before buying, and you should be fine. It does take a bit of effort to get it right, but once you do, it's super comfortable. This is perfect for you if you're recovering from an ankle sprain or stable fracture, but skip this one if you need something for high-impact activities. At this price, it's a solid value for your recovery needs. Now, if the sizing issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, United Ortho Air Cam Walker Boot. Next up is the United Ortho Air Cam Walker Boot, priced at $62.95. This one's a bit heavier at 2.8 pounds, but it still caught my eye with its 4.5-star rating from 12,000 reviews. If you're looking for something sturdy yet accommodating, this is definitely worth considering. What sets this boot apart is its user guide that comes included for proper application. It's designed to fit men's 8'11 and women's 9'12 shoe sizes, making it a great option for a broad range of users. Plus, the rocker sole and shock-absorbing insole work together to promote a more natural walking experience, which is exactly what you need when you're trying to get back on your feet after an injury. With sturdy plastic molded uprights reinforced with steel, you get increased durability, something that's crucial during recovery. Now, some reviews mention that it can feel a bit bulky. Here's the thing though, if you need that extra support to heal properly, the bulk is worth it. It's about giving your foot the protection it needs. This is perfect for you if you're dealing with a sprain or fracture, but skip this one if you want something lightweight and compact. It's a good value for the stability and support it provides. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who value lightweight design. Product number 3, United Ortho Cam Walker Boot. The third product is another United Ortho option, the Cam Walker Boot, priced at $54.95. With a 4.5-star rating from 2,200 reviews, this boot is a great middle ground choice. If you want effective support without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. The user guide included helps ensure you're using it correctly, which is vital for your recovery. Its shock-absorbing insole and rocker sole encourage a more natural walking gait, which is essential if you're looking to regain mobility. The sturdy molded uprights give you that added stability you need while healing. Now the downside, it has similar complaints about fit as the previous models. But honestly, as long as you measure correctly, you should be good to go. It's designed for comfort and support, so the minor fit adjustments are worth it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly yet effective option, but skip this one if you need something more specialized for severe injuries. It's a solid value for what you get. Now, if you need something with a bit more advanced technology, you'll want to check out this next boot. Product number 4, Aircast Air Select Walker Brace. Now let's talk about the Aircast Air Select Walker Brace, available for $80.15. With a 4.4-star rating and around 4,800 reviews, this boot offers some advanced features that caught my eye. If you're serious about recovery and want something that supports your limb effectively, this is worth considering. This boot features a durable semi-rigid shell that offers full shell protection while supporting your limb. The soft strike technology absorbs shock and helps promote a natural gait, which is crucial when you want to get back to normal activities. Plus, the overlapping duplex air cells provide intermittent pneumatic compression, reducing swelling about 3 times faster. That's a big deal during recovery. However, some users found it a bit bulky and warm. Here's the thing though, if you prioritize support and healing over a lightweight boot, the extra bulk can be a necessary trade-off. This is perfect for you if you're in post-operative recovery or dealing with severe injuries. But skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and airy. It's a solid investment for your recovery journey. Now, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, the next boot is definitely one to consider. Product number 5, Jewelry Air Walking Boot. Last but not least is the Jewelry Air Walking Boot, priced at $40.29. With a 4.3-star rating and 1,600 reviews, this is a great budget-friendly option. If you want something affordable that still provides good support, this is worth a look. This boot fits either foot and is designed to be adjustable, which is super helpful if you're dealing with swelling. The shock-absorbing insole and removable liner mean you can clean it easily, which is a nice touch for hygiene. It's great for sprained ankles and other soft tissue injuries, providing the necessary protection while still allowing for some mobility. Now, some users mention that it may not be as sturdy as more expensive options. But honestly, for the price, you still get decent support and comfort, making it a solid choice for those on a budget. This is perfect for you if you need something affordable for minor injuries. But skip this one if you need heavy-duty support. It's a great value for everyday recovery needs. So there you have it, 5 solid options for AirCam Walker boots. From the popular United Ortho options to the advanced features of the aircast, and even a budget-friendly pick from Jewelry, there's something here for everyone. No matter which one you choose, remember to prioritize your comfort and recovery.